age verification pop-up completely blocks website content and verifies the age of visitors, granting access only to adults. It allows visitors to verify their age at the touch of a button, prevents access to age-sensitive content for minors, and saves you from legal penalties and a damaged reputation. Stay tuned and learn how to create an age verification pop-up in a few minutes. Let's go to your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free in a few clicks. Click on the New Widget button and select the Template Library option. Now we see a variety of Claspo's ready-made templates. But we need an age verification pop-up, so let's choose the content blocking widget layout. You can also use the industry filter to speed up your search. For example, let's create a widget for the wine store. Here you can customize all the template elements for your website. Replace the image. Adjust components. Change colors and text. You can also set up a button animation. In preview mode, you can check this animation and see how your widget looks. Let's also check the display on the mobile screen. Looks great enough to save our widget. All you have to do next is set up your widget and embed it on your website. Our following video guide will help you cope with it easily. Now let's see how your widget looks on the website. We did it! If you want to create your unique widget just as quickly and easily, go to Claspo and start right now.